Pricing strategy is one of the most important parts of running a business. It is the way a company decides how much to charge for its product or services. A good pricing strategy helps attract customers, earn profit, and stay competitive in the market. It also supports the business in reaching its goals, whether that's growing fast, building customer trust, or standing out from other brands. Understanding pricing strategy is help us see how businesses make smart decisions to succeed. Pricing strategy is the way a business decides how much to charge for its product or service. It is based on things like how much it costs to make, what customers are willing to pay, what others company charge, and how valuable the product seems to people. The goal is to choose a price that helps the business earn money, attract buyers, and stay competitive in the market.
Types of pricing strategies. 1. Cost plus pricing. Adding a fixed percentage to the cost of producing a product. For example, cost plus pricing is a method where a business determines the selling price by adding a fixed percentage called a markup to the total cost of producing a product. This means the business first calculates how much it costs to make the item like materials, labors, and other expenses, then adds a certain percentage on top to ensure profit. So the final price covers all costs and includes guaranteed earnings for the business. 2. Competitive pricing. Setting prices based on competitors' rates. For example, competitive pricing is a strategy where a business sets the price of its product or service based on how much its competitors are charging. Instead of deciding the price only from its own cost or profit goals, the business studies the market first, check the prices of the similar products, and then choose a price that will help it stay competitive. This could mean matching the competitor's price, offering a lower price to attract more customers.
Penetration pricing is a strategy when a company sets a low price to quickly attract customers and again make a market share. The goal is to make the product or service appealing enough that people will try it, and then once the customer base is built, the price may increase over time. Skimming pricing. Skimming pricing is a strategy where a company sets a high price at the launch of a new product to target early adopters who were willing to pay more the latest stage of trends. Over time, as demand from these initial buyers drop, the price gradually lower to attract more price-sensitive advance.
Psychological pricing. Setting prices that appear more attractive to buyers. This is a strategy pricing influencing our buying decisions and making prices more attractive. For example, isa ka milk tea shop, nagpabawang take 1 sila. Instead of 100, buy one take 1 na, ilang less than of 1 peso. So, naimon na siya 99 peso. So, kita, buyer or consumer, makauna-una ta nga, mas barato ug mas affordable siya. So, kita, maengganyo yun ta nga mapalit anak nga product kay ilang maging strategy nga para mas ma-look siya og attractive sa atwa mga consumers or buyers. The other pricing strategy is value-based pricing. Value-based pricing sets prices according to the perceived value customers get from a product or benefits like quality, convenience, or prestige rather than just production cost. The example for this one is the luxury brands like Gucci or Louis Vuitton, coffee shops, premium coffee shops like Starbucks, high-end smartphones like iPhones. Kini magid nga mga butang or mga items is very high-tech na sila o tsada po ilang materials nga ginagamit paghimuan ni og daghan tag benefits nga makuha sila sama sa smartphones. Pwede nato siya magamit sa vlog o tsada siya camera, not kanang dili siya pareha sa Android nga medyo blurry gid siya. Not unless the iPhone imong gamit, mas klaro gid siya. Sa Starbucks naman is ang ilang mga coffee is kanang lami, social, o dili lang kay coffee imong ginapay sa ila, but the experience as well. The Gucci and Louis Vuitton, this brand is grabe gini siya ka premium. Like mga hierarchy na gid ang mga gagamit ani. Like kana bitong mga dato na mga naikakayahan sa kinabuhi kana gid sila. Kini nga mga example ginapakita ang value-based pricing nga gina-prioritize nila ang customers na willing mo pay beyond the product itself.
Factors affecting pricing strategy. There are 4 factors. First, production cost. Second, customer demand. Third, competition. Fourth, market trends. Fifth is company goals. For production cost, this refers to how much it costs to make the product, including the price of raw materials, workers' wages, and factory expenses. Higher production costs usually lead to higher prices. For example, sa restaurant, kung sa karne o gulay is taas o presyo, so mahimo pod sa mino nga taasan ang presyo para makabawi sila sa gasto. Second is customer demand. This is about how much customers want the product and how much they are willing to pay. If many people want it, the price can be higher. If few people want it, the price may need to be lowered. For example, sa Pasko, musaka ang presyo sa ham o queso de bola tungod kay daghan ang nangita. Third is competition. This involves checking the price of other companies selling similar products. Businesses often adjust their pricings to stay competitive in the market. For example, kung ang usa ka laundry shop sa laundry service is nagbaba og presyo, mapugos usab ang uban nga laundry shop nga magbaba aron dili sila mawadan og customer. Fourth is market trends. These are changes in the market such as seasonal demand, Christmas sales, new technology, global events. Trends can cause price to go up or down. For example, sa Christmas decor, sa panahon sa December, magsaka ang presyo sa mga decoration tungod sa taas nga seasonal demand. Last is company goals. These are the company's objectives such as earnings, the highest profit, increasing market share, or building customer loyalty. The choosing pricing strategy depends on what the company wants to achieve. For example, sa nakay bagong abri nga cafe, kung gusto ka mailan imong bagong abri nga cafe, magbutang ka og promo, nga buy one take one, aron makadani ka og daghang customer.
The importance of pricing strategy. First, attracts and retains customers. Second, helps businesses achieve profit goals. Third, builds competitiveness in the market. Fourth, creates brand value and customer trust. And fifth, influences buying decisions of consumers. So why is pricing strategy important? First, it helps get and keep customers. When the price is good, people will buy the product. If they feel the price is fair and they like what they paid for, they will come back again. This helps the business keep loyal customers. Second, it helps the business earn money. The right price helps the business make profit. If the price is too low, the business may not earn enough. If the price is too high, people may not buy. So the price must be just right to earn money. Third, it helps the business compete. Good pricing helps the business fight with other businesses. If the price is better than the others, more people will choose the product. This helps the business stay strong in the market. Fourth, it builds trust and brand name. Fair prices make people trust the product. They feel the product is good and worth the money. This helps build a strong brand name that people remember and respect. And lastly, fifth, it affects what people buy. Price helps people decide what to buy. If the price is too high, they may not buy it. If the price feels right, they will buy happily. So, pricing can change customer choices. So summary on why is it important? Pricing strategy is important because it helps a business attract customers, earn profit, and stay strong in the market. A good price makes people trust the product and it helps them decide what to buy. When the price is fair and smart, the business can grow and succeed.
Conclusion: pricing strategy plays a crucial role in the success of any business. Choosing the right price helps a company attract customers, stay competitive, and achieve its profit goals. Different strategies such as a cost-based pricing, competitive pricing, value-based pricing, penetration pricing, and scheming offer business various ways to position their product in the market. A well-planned pricing strategy considers production cost, customer demand, and competitive prices. When these factors are balanced, the business can set a price that is both appealing to customer and profitable for the company. In the end, the right pricing strategy helps a business grow, improve sales, and build a strong presence in the market.